Hey everyone, this is Rachel and welcome to another scrapbooking process video. If you hang out until after the video is through, there are always detailed shots of my current layout. Let's get going! Everyone, today I am here with a very quick layout I did as part of a challenge for an online scrapbooking crop. The challenge was to use colors associated with the way the photos you're scrapbooking make you feel, and there was a chart to choose the ones that make you feel, and mine was happiness and friendship and stuff like that. So it was the colors orange, red, and yellow. So like the bright, fun, warm colors. So I am using my Wild Hare Kit Club kit, which is a mix of a petite kit and then stuff from my stash that I added to it. And for some reason, this layout just came together really quickly. I didn't even use a sketch. I have these three photos of my nephew and the bonus kid uh, playing around with some mud masks that my housemate had bought. And so they found them in the refrigerator. They're from Lush, so you have to refrigerate them. And they're like, "What is this?" My housemates like that. They're mud masks, and they're like, "Oh, we should totally play with these." And so they did, and they were goofing off and taking photos and stuff like that, and they had a good time with it. And they're like, "Hey, we can take care of our skin too." So I used some photo play paper, boys rule paper, that yellow geometric and the stripe, I believe, is all from the same sheet of paper. And now I am using some, sorry, dog shaking there. I'm adding some carousel paper in that coral color along with a deep pink. I pull in from my stash this word smile. That is from Fancy Pants. I do not remember the line, but I do remember it's from Fancy Pants. It came in a kit I had gotten a while back from Click Kits. Maybe Click Kits, I don't know. That could be a complete guess. It could be a really old Scraptastic kit. I do not remember. Sorry. And now what I'm going through is my Pink Paisley Atlas line ephemera pack. A lot of uh, travel themed in there, but a couple of things worked really well. I really liked that pink acetate camera. I had also pulled the word play in acetate from a Heidi Swap September Skies ephemera pack. Both of those ephemera packs came from my stash. So I was happy to pull in quite a few pieces from my stash uh, into this petite kit from the Wild Hare Club. The Wild Hare Kit Club, woo! I am liking the way this is looking, so I'm going to go ahead and tape it down. And now I'm adding a little bit more of this carousel piece by Maggie Holmes to the top so that it mimics that piece at the bottom. I was just debating on whether or not I was going to go ahead and uh, the other side of this paper are the little cut apart labels, and I really, really like them. And I was like, well, I think maybe I'll just use it at the bottom. And then in looking at it, I'm like, no, I need that piece at the top. I'm like, what side can I sacrifice? What label do I like the least? I'm such a goofy person. I mean, I probably have like 90 million labels. I'm okay losing three. Anyway, I did use my tiny attacher to attach the word play to the globe, and then I'm also going to use it to attach that camera at the top. Now, so it's funny, though the word from Heidi Swap does not have a piece over the acetate. The one from Pink Paisley does have a piece. I wish just in general, when it comes to acetate, they would make a decision to do it one or the other, because I cannot tell you how many plastic coverings are probably somewhere in my albums because I did not realize at the time there was a plastic covering to them. While I was ranting slightly, I did add two puffy stickers, and I believe those are from Freckled Fawn. They are black and white cameras. And now I've gone to get this older Fancy Pants alpha from where I keep my alphabets. This is one of those things where I was like, oh wow, this really solid orange font. This is perfect. And then I remembered, yeah, I don't really ever use orange fonts. So I'd actually never touched that, and I've probably owned it for 3 or 4 years. But hey, I used it. Finally. Yay me. For the rest of my title, I am using these little mini white alphas. These came with the pink paisley line, and this came in my Wild Hare kit. And so my entire title is going to be Mud Mask Mania, because I really like alliteration. All right, I'm almost done with this layout. You will not see me journal on it because I forgot, to be totally honest. I am, however, going to add some enamel dots in each of my cluster areas and then also by my title, excuse the dog snorts. And I'm just looking for bits and bobs to add at the end, seeing if there's another color I can add in my enamel dot clusters that will work. I'm trying to think, what am I doing here? Oh, I wasn't sure which color I wanted to add and what size. That's what it was. Oh, and I finished off, I had these 2 epoxy stickers from Freckled Fawn, and I finished them off with this layout. Woohoo! Tried to see if any of those chipboard stickers would work, or if I wanted to fussy cut out some of that carousel paper, and the answer is no, I do not. However, I do go into these color cast designs, wood veneer words and phrases, and I add one down at the bottom and also one at the top. And I do not remember what they say, but you can see them in the photos at the end of this video. I also add that check mark flare. I'm pretty sure, I know that came in my kit. I'm pretty sure it's from a flare for buttons or something along those lines. It's from an Etsy shop. I am going to finish off this layout with some shimmers. Sorry for the slurring of the words there. And I am using, oh my goodness, what is that called? Mango Tango. Mango Tango, Caribbean Sunset, and then I'm going to finish off with, wow, Rose Gold Red. I could not think of the word mango to save my life. All right, folks, that is my finished layout. Well, I forgot to journal on camera, but it's as finished as it's gonna get here. Thanks for joining me, folks. If you could flick me a thumbs up, that would be great. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Bye.